Okay, hello there. Right, time for the next level. I think this might be the last one, but I'm not 100% sure. Must be getting close. Very odd sounds going on in the background. Aliens, no doubt. So earlier I did the other part, and I just went forward just to have a little look around, but I haven't done much. Yep, we've got more of these buggers. Ooh, they are devilish things, these are. Ooh, God, that was so fast. Okay. Yeah, so if this is their spaceship, it's definitely got some alien alien influence from the Alien films, I would say, but definitely their own twist on it. It's quite nice. Oh, hell. Oh, gold. These are a bit more clever than those bloody Terminator things. And when they die, they look as though they're not dead. Looks like they're gonna grow again, but okay, here we go. Okay, I'm gonna switch there. Ah, right, yeah, I remember this. This does opens the lift, so we got to go down there. But I think there was something here. Another beastie? No, okay, sweet, okay. Let's get that charged up. Right. Yeah, we can't get there yet, that other place. So it's down into the down into the bowels of this ship. It's quite exciting, really. Played this, well, 20 years ago? No, not quite 20 years ago. But never got anywhere. Well, never got here. Nowhere near it. So it's quite exciting. Okay. Right, as far as I've got is down here, and shit hits the fan. There's quite a few beasties to kill. Ah, no, not quite yet. No, it's a strange jellyfish thing. Which, as far as I know, we can't kill. It's just bimbling around. That gun just shoots away. I don't think there's anything to do there. Right, this is where shit hits the fan. Bloody hell! Oh, come on, mate! God, it takes so long to get up again. God, this ain't good. Hell. Oh, it's a massacre. One good thing is they can kill each other by accident, which is I think what's happened here. Where's the old gone? Sweet, disappeared. So what are these two? Okay, that opens that. That closes it. Okay. Yeah, so this is as far as I got earlier today. What you've got to do... or what I started doing, but it went wrong and I got killed by those bastards. That thing up there is not actually an enemy. It's a mechanical mouse, of all things. So you can pick him up. I don't know what... Aha! So he's stopping that fire from being there. Oh, that's annoying. Haha. But we need the mouse to trigger the door to be open. I don't think I've got any rocks, have I? Ah, no, but I could throw my teleport thing through there, of course. Okay, yep, that'll do it. So, if we come down here and set off our little mouse. Be free. Where is he? Oh, there he goes. And he's gone the wrong fucking way. That's what happened last time when I came back here and then I got torn limb from limb by those beasts. Okay, it's coming back. Oh shit, yeah, that's to give us time to get the old receiver, right? Oh, but we've got to throw it through the door. Where's the mouse gone? You bloody swine. John, can you... Okay, now he's following. Ah, okay, we're going to have to dump him in there. That's annoying. Come on, you little bastard. Oh, I'm not going to be able to catch him now. Come on. Come on. Bastard ain't coming now. Did I get him? Did I fuck? Damn it. Oh, you... What are you doing, you... Oh, this is annoying. Gotcha, you bastard. Right. Let's put him in here then. Hopefully he stays in here. There you go. Don't roll back in you. Is he going to keep going back? He is. Good man. Okay, right. Sorry about that. It took a little longer than it should have. Right, let's throw this through the door. Lovely. So now we can just teleport there. Okay. What's my shield like? 0. Oh, God. You know what's going to happen. You know it. Who the hell is that? I would quite like a save point. Did that do anything? It didn't do anything. Well, I'll be darned. Has it gone wrong? Perhaps? I think it's gone wrong. Unless that switch did something... I was pressing the wrong button. Brilliant. Okay. I can't go any further there. Can't go any further there. What's going on here? I'm stuck. Mouse is still going back and forth. Extremely strange. Let's do the switch again. So that's opened up this. Okay, just had to do all that again. Not only that, but my shield was on 0 after fighting those 3 bastards earlier. I had to go all the way back to the start to recharge my shield. Anyway, here we go. Right, so we open that. Now, I couldn't find a way of opening this, so I had to cheat and look it up. And what you've got to do is shoot the bloody thing. Pain in the ass. I mean, never had to do this before. I probably would have got to that point eventually, just through sheer hell. Yeah, and then this bastard comes. Kills that chap. God knows who he was. A friend, I guess. Ooh. In your dreams. Oh, come on. Good. Yeah, so that was unfortunate having to look that up, but I didn't want to be bimbling around forever. Plus, I wasn't sure if I'd missed something. The hell was... What? He's just given me... Somehow he gave me something in his death. Atomic charge. Right, I don't want to be messing around with that yet, but we are going to blow up this bloody thing, by the looks of it. Oh no. Oh, that wasn't fair. Fucking hell. Oh, this is a bloody piss take. Oh, come on, please, no. It took me fucking ages to get here. Well, this ain't good, is it? Shitting hell. Oh no. What can I... Fuck! Oh, fucking hell. Go fast. Brilliant. This ain't good. Oh, piss off. What? Hello and welcome back. It's the next day. Last night I almost, well, had a nervous breakdown. So today I've just put it on nice and relaxed, and I've got here without any drama whatsoever. So I'm hoping to do a bit better on the next screen. So what I need to do is exploit the trick that I used earlier when climbing. When you're climbing, you're invincible. So I need to do a bit of that to avoid this chap here. So climb. It helps if you're fucking well... What's he doing? For fuck's sake. Right, forget what I said. I have no idea what I'm doing. Get up. For God's sake. Right, this is the place. This is where we can... What the hell is going on? Well, that doesn't fucking work. I tell you what, this is fucked. This is totally fucked. Fuck's sake! God, I hate this. Fucking hell! It's too fast! Oh, fuck it. Done. Okay, I did it just now, and I wasn't recording! Look at what I'm doing now, though. Maybe. It's breaking me, this game. It's breaking me. Right. Up. Hold. Stay there. There we go. He's going to hit. Yeah, there we are. I can't do it without being hit. I just can't. Down, 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 down. Hang. Up. What? Oh, forget it. This is just fucked. It's just not fair. God, this bastard. You can tell that is too fast. You cannot do that. You can't get out of that. Yeah, you stay there, you fuck. Oh my god. I tell you, this has made me hate the fucking game. It's not fair at all. Not fair at all. Okay, we need that left there. Bastard! A diary that I've been stepping on for the last 2 hours I can now read. For fuck's sake. Made it to this cavern and got killed repeatedly. That's what the diary says. 437th day. They made me work on a terrible experiment. I'd rather not talk about the consequences. I was so frightened by the prospects revealed to me. That sounds very nice. 519th day. They want to destroy our race. I must do something to warn Earth. 683rd day. Today I introduced a topic on molecular research into the Titan computer. I only hope it will attract someone's attention. I guess we must have read that. 690th day. The master brain. That's who commands them. Tomorrow I'll try to find out where it is. 720th day. Impossible to get to it. The master brain is installed inside the planet's core. All communication channels have been cut. So I'm on a planet what? 830th day. Eureka! An auxiliary brain controls the planet. The master brain is asleep for the moment. By destroying it, the main brain will have to reactivate itself. It will open up its communication lines, allowing me to place an atomic charge in the heart of the planet. 900th day. Fuck. That's how many days it's taken me to get to this point. I've constructed a bomb powerful enough to set off a chain reaction and make this planet explode. So that was the chap that died just earlier. So he made it 900 days and then was just killed like that. I just have to find the courage to put my plan into operation. 1200th day. I've decided to move tonight. I'll have to borrow a vessel from the hangar before everything blows up. This is my final message. May heaven help me. Philip Howard Clark. And then he just died like that. Well, I feel for you, mate. Hellish place. If there's not a save point on the next screen, I don't know what I'm going to do. This game has broken me. Oh god. Is there a save point? Is there? Fuck. It's just a bastard thing down there. Bloody hell. Right, I tell you what, I don't trust my jumping ability. I'm going to play it. Lovely. Right, now we can teleport there. Get the old gun out. Right, you can't jump up here apparently. Or can he? I don't trust anything on this. Bloody horrid looking thing he is. Oh god, brilliant. Yeah, extraordinarily good. Oh good, one shot. What next? Thank fuck. But a save point would be nicer. Hallelujah. Right, now where the hell do we go? Trouble is, still you could have an instant death and still have problems. Right, let's just clean up this area. If there's anything to clean up. Of course there is. There you fucking go. God, I hate these things. Right, I'm gonna go over here. A save point, please. Yes, please. Oh my goodness. Thought I was a goner then. Oh, you bastard. it looks like teleporter time. But will that kill me? Oh no. Oh, I don't like this. I could throw it over the other side, I suppose, just to be safe. It's the diary. Right. Right, I'm going down there. Instant death coming off. I don't want to press it. Hell yeah. So unfair. The mechanics of this, I tell you. Save point where? Oh, right, okay, I can use that now. Okay. I was going to squash one. Okay. There's more down here though. I'm okay for now. Oh my god, a save point. Please don't. I'll never play it again. I promise you I won't. This is it. I'm to get dead. Unbelievable. 0 health. Oh, I've got 1 left. Okay. Right. A stone. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be down here first or whether to go up the top or what. Crikey Moses. Ah, right, okay, looks like that's a key, is it? Yeah. Okay, we did have to come here first. Thank goodness. Right, anything else? The hell? Okay, there's a teleporter there. Lovely. Right, let's save it quick. God. Okie dokie. Let's get some health. Otherwise, let's run like a mad bastard. I can't know somehow. That's weird, it wasn't working. Okie dokie. Right, so I can open that door over there, but let's take care of this bastard. Wait a second. Dead. Oh. Let's try. God, it's so annoying. Shit off. What next? Okay, that's the key lock. Stick that in there. Oh, bold. Okay, right, we've done another level. Somehow. Okay, I might leave it there. We'll see. But anyway, thanks for watching and cheerio.